Hello everyone! Sharks have long been a source of fascination for humans with their powerful swimming abilities, sharp teeth, and mysterious behavior. But have you ever stopped to think about where these magnificent creatures come from? The answer lies in shark eggs, which are an essential part of the shark reproductive cycle. Shark eggs, also known as mermaids' purses, are the reproductive structures produced by female sharks. They are typically leathery, rectangular, or oval in shape and can range in size from a few centimeters to several meters in length. The eggs are designed to protect the developing shark embryo and provide it with the necessary nutrients for growth. There are two main types of shark eggs, oviparous and ovoviviparous. Oviparous sharks lay eggs that hatch outside the mother's body, while ovoviviparous sharks produce eggs that hatch inside the mother's body, and the young are nourished by a yolk sac before being born alive. The process of shark egg formation is complex and involves the coordination of multiple reproductive organs. Female sharks have two ovaries, which produce eggs that are then fertilized by sperm from the male shark. The fertilized eggs are then surrounded by a protective membrane and a leathery outer layer, which helps to prevent water loss and protect the developing embryo. Shark eggs can be found in various locations around the world, including coral reefs, rocky crevices, and even shipwrecks. Some species of sharks, such as the cat shark, lay their eggs in protected areas like underwater caves or beneath ledges. Other species, like the spiny dogfish, attach their eggs to seaweed or other underwater structures. Many shark species are threatened or endangered due to overfishing, habitat loss, and other human activities. As a result, shark eggs are often collected for food or used in traditional medicine, which can further threaten shark populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect shark eggs and habitats, but more needs to be done to ensure the long-term survival of these incredible creatures. Some interesting facts about shark eggs include that some can take up to 2 years to hatch, while others may hatch in as little as a few weeks. Shark eggs can be an important food source for other marine animals, such as fish, sea turtles, and even other sharks. The leathery outer layer of shark eggs is made up of a tough, collagen-like material that helps to protect the developing embryo. Some species of sharks, like the hammerhead, can produce up to 50 eggs per reproductive cycle. By learning more about shark eggs, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the biology and ecology of sharks and work to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Shark eggs play a vital role in the shark reproductive cycle, and it is essential that we take steps to conserve and protect them. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.